This is Audi A7 with Climatronic dual zone system, and I'm going to show you how to enable the synchronization of those zones. So over here you have the sync button, which will do exactly this. But if you break the sync, you can also do it like this. Press and hold over here, wait, and you will see that those two values are now set to the same temperature. So the sync was re-enabled, even though the sync indicator over here is not on. This is because this button syncs all the zones in the vehicle, and this syncs only the left and right, front left and front right with each other. So if your vehicle is equipped with 3 or 4 zones, you have some zones in the back, you can sync them all up with this, or you can just sync the front with this.